J. Rossi made the beat.
Hey dolls, so this is a video featuring Dsoar hair. This is their 613 blonde hair. Now let me just tell y'all, I tried to make me a lace tinting spray and it kind of like got on the roots of the hair. It kind of makes it look like I have a little bit of a root, but I feel like my brown color is kind of a little too yellow, so I'm hoping that it will wash off because it's mixed with water. So I'm hoping that it didn't stain the hair permanently, but if it did, I may end up coloring this hair like a bright summer color. The hair is so long and it's super full. Let me just show y'all the packaging and stuff. Y'all know about Dsoar hair. They have great prices and great quality hair. So everything came wrapped up in different sleeves and stuff like that. My longest length is 28 inches. Also sent me another little beauty blender, a purple one this time. Last time they sent a blue one, and they actually work decently well. I used one in a video last time. The hair that I have is the 613 body wave hair. I have a 26, 26, 28, 28, and a 20-inch frontal. Oh, and whenever I was making this wig, I messed up because whenever I seen 26, I thought that was my longest length. So I started to sew on the 26, and I had actually sewed the whole bundle. And then when I picked up my bundle packaging, I had a 28, and I was like, yo, I got to take this loose, because if not, I was going to have to cut the hair because it would have been like shorter, longer, you know, whatever. So the frontal is a 20-inch. I don't know if I just said that. They also did send lashes. These lashes are super cute. I will actually wear these. So this is the hair. So I did get this wig ready previously before installing it. I washed the hair and I did straighten it. This hair is super thick. It took me a long time to straighten it. I will probably do like wand curls. I was thinking about crimps, but the hair is so thick that I don't want to do that because it's going to take forever. But I think some wand curls would be really cute. But the next time I want to try to wash out the roots and just use makeup instead, because I don't really like that spray that I made. But I didn't want to have to go back and re-wash the wig, so that's why I'm just bringing it to y'all like this. The next video will be a full get ready with me, and you'll see however I do the hair. If I dye it, I will also include that in that video. But the hair is really nice. It's super thick and very full. I don't really see a lot of companies selling blonde bundles with like 28 inches. The longest length is usually like a 24-inch. So since they had 28, I definitely took advantage of that, and I wanted to show y'all that you can get longer length blonde bundles from Dsoar hair. The hair is really nice though. It's really silky, but it's super thick, like super thick. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this ponytail is really thick. So yeah, and another thing with blonde hair, whenever you do your baby hairs, for me, they kind of just melt into my skin. Like, it's kind of hard to see them. I don't know. I guess it's just because of the color of the hair and everything. But I may end up coloring this hair. What color do y'all think I should do? Like a pink, a blue, a ombre, different colors? I don't know. Because at first, originally, what I was going to do with this hair was do the Arrogant Tay thing where he did the ombre colored strips in the front of the hair. And it's just a rainbow of colors going down the front of the hair. But I noticed that his hair had to all be one length, and since I have a 20-inch frontal, only the frontal would have been colored and it wouldn't have reached all the way to the ends like the 28. So I'll probably need to use like a full lace wig to do that if I want to do that type of style with y'all. Y'all know Arrogant Tay is like my hair inspiration all the time. So yeah, this is the hair. I just came to do a quick little install and show y'all this hair, tell you about it. The next video will be a get ready with me, like I said, and we're gonna hope and pray that this washes out, because if it does, then that way I can probably keep the 613 color. I also did tone the hair. I forgot to mention that, because on camera it kind of looks a little yellow, more so at the top from that lace spray, but it's definitely very ashy. Like in the back, this part looks almost pretty gray, and then this part is kind of like, you know, it still kind of has a little bit of that yellowness to it, but it's more brassy than how it normally is. And basically what I did was I just used my Shimmering Lights shampoo, and I put some in like a little bowl, or, you know, like a Tupperware container. Put some in there with some water, swished it around, because if you apply the purple shampoo straight to this hair, you're definitely gonna get tinting of the purple on your hair. Like I have some spots in the back that are kind of a little tinted purple, but definitely put some in a bowl or whatever with some water, swish it around, and then dunk your wig into it. And I leave my wig in there to set for a while, like maybe an hour or so. So I'm pretty sure that's why some of the hair in the back is kind of more gray, because it really processed with the toner. I know y'all could probably see my little hair sticking out under there, but yeah, that's what I did to get the hair to this color. I didn't put any color on it. I just used a purple shampoo. Sorry I got this dress on again, but this is like my chill around the house type of dress. So yeah, that's this hair in a nutshell. If y'all have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Okay, y'all, so this is how the wig looks. I did already flat iron it off camera, just on my mannequin head to save time. So this is how everything is looking, and then I'm going to go ahead and start applying my gel to my hairline. This cap I already used from a previous install, so that's why it doesn't look the best, and, you know, it's kind of shifting backwards, but y'all know I didn't feel like doing another one, so this is what we're gonna work with today. But whenever we do the next video, I'm gonna do a real cute style for y'all. It's not gonna be basic, a middle part, you know, straight. Like, I like to give y'all some different options for hair. So yeah, this is what we're working with today. And I'm on the phone with my best friend. That's why you see me laughing and stuff. But yeah, so I just sprayed it with some hairspray, fanned it a little bit, you know, to let it get a little tacky. And then I'm gonna go ahead and push the lace down. Now, y'all, this lace color is not my skin color whatsoever, and that's what really just ticked me off, because I made a lace tinting spray, as y'all already seen in the intro, and I used the brown color, but it definitely has more of a yellow tinge to it. And I thought, since I had yellow undertones, it would match perfectly, but it definitely looks more yellow than brown, so I don't like the color of it. I will have to try a different hair dye color whenever I try another lace tinting spray. Once I get it down, I'll do a video on how I did it for y'all. But yeah, trial and error. So now I'm just flat ironing the hair to get the part nice and straight. And since it was so yellow, I did put a little bit of hair, not hair, I put some concealer in the part a little bit, just to try to camouflage it a little bit. But I'm gonna have to try to wash it out to really get, you know, it to be the color that I want it to be, because it did seep through onto the roots. So don't even mind that yellow tinge, y'all know. But yeah, I wanted to bring y'all this video on this hair, because 28 inches of 613, y'all need this for the summertime. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all how it looks, combing it out and everything, and it's so long and pretty. Like, I never had a 613 wig this long before, so super cute. I may end up just dyeing the roots like a nice light brown.